Hello, Pierre Hollmuller. We are here at the University of Geneva. Can you tell us a bit more about what you're doing here?
Yes, our group, energy group at the University of Geneva, has been working for the last 30 years, something like that, about energy issues from a very broad perspective, like energy scenarios, down to more specific issues, in particular linked to energy in buildings and innovative energy systems. We have been doing a lot of monitoring of existing innovative systems so as to see how they work in reality, what works well and what does not work well, what could be improved. This is, I should say, our core business.
Okay. We're working together on the Canopy project.
Yes.
We're working on the integration of a phase shifter into our prototype. Can you tell us a bit more about this phase shifter?
Yes, sure. So this is very particular because, as I said, usually we do not do development of new systems. We especially measure existing innovative systems which come from elsewhere. But the thermal phase shifter is a specific case in which we have been innovating. This comes from the phase shifter is a thermal phase shifter is a storage system in which the air from the ventilation goes through it, and it's a very particular system, storage system, because the temperature oscillation, warm and cold oscillation from the day and night, is stored in a specific manner, which makes that it comes out with the same oscillation but 12-hour with a 12-hour shift. What does that mean? In the night, the air comes in cold and gets out warm, and it is not insulated in the building. We put it outside, and in the day it comes in warm from the exterior and it gets out with the temperature from the night, and this can be used within the building. So what is very particular is that the storage is not working at a specific thermal level, but it really contains the whole dynamic oscillation, which is just delayed by 12 hours through the system.
Okay, and so what's the current state of research about this phase shifter?
Okay, so the interesting thing is that it has really been, first, it has been a theoretical discovery of a physical phenomenon which we were not really aware of. And at that time we did not even understand how and why this could be possible. And then we have been doing at the same time some theoretical calculation to control the phenomenon and understand it. And at the same time, or in parallel, also some prototypes, lab prototypes, which have resulted in quite interesting results. And the point is, we have up to now not done any real demonstrator. It has only been lab for the moment, and this will be the first time we are doing a demonstrator, and this is an important test to see if it really works and how it works. And the other important thing is, I think through this contests or decathlon, we will also try to see if there is potential interest from industrial partners or other universities or persons to see if it could be developed as a product. Yes.
What's your particular interest in the Canopy project?
Well, I'm first of all very delighted that we can have the thermal phase shifter as for the first time as a pilot demonstration object in such a project like the Canopy project. First of all, because it is itself meant as an innovative system or building. So it's really interesting to collaborate in this project, and of course the fact that it will have a certain mediatic repercussion because it will be shown, and the fact that it is within a contest is of course very exciting.
Okay, and maybe you can give us your opinion about the project.
Yeah, well, the other thing is I came into the Canopia project through the little door, which is with just this little object, a phase shifter, which will be integrated in the whole system. And I'm discovering that the Canopia project is very interesting, not only from this particular system integrating, I mean from the technical system, but also because there is a thought and research on how this building could be integrated within a larger urban area with all the problematic of energy savings and energy exchange on networks and things like that. And this is, I think, a really important issue, and I think the fact that you are thinking not only of the building but also its relation to the territory in the energetic sense is very fundamental, and this is really research of tomorrow or today already, but these are very important issues.
Wow, thank you very much for your opinion and your explanation about the phase shifter, Pierre Hollmuller.